Sniffles is playing up on the counter with Miss Sophie's toy that she came with. I think he's the only one that plays with the toys in this house. He's the most happy little kitten. He likes to play on the little cat tower over there. He plays on the scratching post. If we had a way... Oh man, he's getting awfully close to Sophie. She's like, "You kitty cat, what are you doing?" He's too cute. It's like a play, play, play. That's what a kitty's life is. Gotta play. Snort's like, "What are you doing? Why don't you want to eat?" Oh. She's like, "Get away, cat. Don't you know?" What was that, Sniffles? You just wanted to play, huh? It's like, "Yeah, I'm back at it now. She's gone. Back to playtime." You're just a little kitten, aren't you? Aw, you're cute. Oh man, it's getting all in the mail. I had to move all of the kitty cat bowls up on the counter because Snort would watch Sophie eat her food, and he would sit on the little step. You know what, Sophie, she's so lazy she has to like have a step stool to get on the counter. So what are you doing? So Snort would sit there and watch her eat and wait for her to get down or up on the refrigerator, and then he would climb up and want to eat out of her bowl. So I finally had to move their dishes up here because he wants to be like Sophie too, and he was getting jealous. So, oh, hi. You goofy. I know, I see you. You got my attention, don't worry. So, Sniffles is he's so demanding. You're such a demanding little kitty. So demanding. He always pops into the camera whenever I'm taking a video or a picture. And Snort, he spends the whole day just eating, I swear. He's going to be so fat. And there's Sophie. Little fat mama. Hey, pretty girl. Are you upset right now? You've had an attitude all day. Look at you. Hi. Hi. I know, you're mad at me, huh? First because Ginger wanted to sniff and snarfle on you. I know, you're mad. Now the kitties are up there in your little eating area. They just want to be like you. Well, let them. Just be nice to them. I know you're old. And they're kittens. Silly kitty.